In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create an account on the platform KCEX. So to create an account, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description and you will get to exactly this page right here. And you will also get the best sign up bonus possible, which is the lowest trading fees on the market and 0 withdrawal fees for all cryptocurrencies. Also, you will be eligible for up to $370 of bonuses, which I will show you in just a bit. So to create your account, then simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use Google or Apple sign up, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created your account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here, and to claim your additional flat bonuses, simply go up here to the event center and click on new user rewards. Then you will get to the reward center right here, and if you signed up with the link from the description, you can see that you can pick up all of these bonuses right here, right after the sign up, and also after you've made your first deposits and trades, you can get additional bonuses which add up to $370 in total. You can then directly start with the trading by starting to deposit money and then start with the futures trading. If you need more tutorials on that, I have many more videos on my channel where I explain how to leverage trade on KCEX.